Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to install this driver, that is Realtek driver, on your Windows 11 computer, and if you're receiving this error, that is 0x80070103. So if you're receiving this error code and if you're unable to install this driver, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So if you're unable to install it uh, from Windows Update, then no need to install it from Windows Update. You can install the Realtek driver from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, go to drivers and download, and you can download and install your Realtek drivers from here. Now to get rid of this error, run show or hide update troubleshooter. Now for this, I have provided this link in the video description. So you can copy this link and then open this link in a browser. It will take you to Google Drive. I have uploaded show and hide troubleshooter to my Google Drive. So you can download this, and this will download show and hide troubleshooter from Microsoft. So click on it. And this is from Microsoft. Then click on next and let the search complete. Now click on hide updates, and over here you will find your Realtek driver. So you will find this Realtek driver in the list. In my case, I don't have it, but in your case, you will find Realtek. As you can see, there are many HP, Intel drivers over here. So you have to put a check on Realtek. You have to put a check on this driver over here. So put a check. This is just an example. You put a check on Realtek and then click on next and let the process complete. Now once done, you will see something like this. Now click on close and then restart your computer. Now after the system restart, you can go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. And next time when you click on check for update, it will not show you this Realtek driver over here. So it will be hidden, and it will, if there is any other update, it will show you. So this is how you can get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.